Hello, hi. It's Kitty Anderson again. I'm a board certified menopause coach and I'm started this YouTube channel to help you through the transition of menopause. The most important thing you need to know is that HRT is beneficial, that there are special kinds of HRT that are incredibly beneficial and outperform the other kinds of HRT. And today I'm going to talk about why testosterone is critical. It is HRT plus. If you talk to your doctor and you say, I want HRT, they're going to say a type of estrogen and progesterone, right, to balance those two things out. And they might even just say estrogen only if you don't have a uterus. But that's a big issue because your brain needs progesterone. So if you're watching this and you're doing HRT that is estrogen only, please see your doctor for progesterone, not MPA, but progesterone. But let's talk today about testosterone. We think it is a male hormone because, yes, it makes men very male. It's from the testes and it does pump through their systems, and you can see the sparkle of testosterone in their eyes when they are competing or about to compete. You can see that sparkle turn on and you can see them get all pumped up. Their muscles expand, they get bigger and bolder, their personalities totally change. Well, women need it too. In fact, we need more of the testosterone than the estradiol, and estradiol is critical, but we need more of the testosterone. So I'm going to summarize in this video about the top line benefits of testosterone. I have a special document that outlines all the research and references all the research for you. But let's just start with your personality. So your personality is testosterone dependent, right? Your personality, how bold you are, depends on your testosterone level. And after menopause, it can be at zero. I just need you to know you don't need a test. Typically, they will test you for a baseline, which is awesome. That baseline for me has almost always been zero. So undetectable. So I had nothing in my body. And so I was giving up all the benefits. So to summarize the benefits real quick, your personality. So your boldness, your confidence level depends on your testosterone. Higher testosterone means higher confidence. Your fear is based on your testosterone level. You need higher levels of testosterone in order to overcome fears and being fearful and having a fearful personality, all bad things that you don't want to be bothered with. So you've got sociability. So you increase your testosterone, it will increase how social you are, how you seek out connection, how you are attracted to other people. So that social connection, just how you walk down a hallway is going to be different. How you acknowledge the other people in the room is going to be different based on sociability. So that is a huge impact on your life. Just making those extra social connections is pushing you into a new space of opportunity, right? It's just a huge opportunity. So you want to be, the other thing that testosterone controls is your motivation. So if you want to be successful at diet and exercise, you're going to need the testosterone in order to be successful, because that internal motivation is actually coming from a hormone, right? So some of it can come from your cognition, right? Where you're working through how you want to set a goal, what goal makes sense, and then how you want to go about achieving a goal. So, yes, all of that is cognitive type of health. Um, but the motivation piece, so you want to wake up every day and have energy. So, you'll see a big difference in testosterone. So, testosterone is also controlling the amount of internal energy that you have. So higher testosterone means higher energy. And so those are personality factors that are highly influenced by testosterone. Sexuality. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. You need to be interested in partner types. I'll say partner types because we're going to include lesbian community in this as well. So if you're attracted to male, then you want to be turning your head. Oh, he's cute. That is testosterone. Testosterone makes that happen. So you want to go to the gym because there might be some guys with some nice muscles, or some ladies if you're a lady type. I don't know what you're interested in, but interest is what they call it in the sexuality research. And ultimately, the most research is done on testosterone for low sexual function in women. So to solve that you want the interest solved, you want the ability to orgasm, you want the ability to feel satiated and happy and content. You want all of those things. So there's a spectrum of things they study in the sexuality area, and testosterone boosts all of those. It changes the sensation too of sex. So your experience of sex is enhanced. So this is a really important part of sexuality, of feeling alive that way. The immune system. What we know is we need testosterone in order to mature the immune cells from immature states into mature states. And in the mature state is when it does the work. Right? We have this evolution that happens in our body on the immune cells, and there's 50 different kinds of immune cells, but almost all of them need testosterone. If you're at zero, your immune system is not working. You are not going to be able to fight an infection. You are not going to be able to fight cancer. Cancer is a part of the immune system puts cancer in its place, right? So if a tumor starts, the immune system sends over somebody to eat it up, right? So we have this happening all the time. So we need that testosterone for the immune system. That's also critical. Testosterone maintains and enhances your muscle mass. Your muscle mass. You want to be strong. You want to be able to add muscle, to add fitness, and add to your posture, enhance yourself. It adds a lot to your muscle health. So you're going to have more muscle, you're going to build muscle easier, and that muscle is going to burn calories faster. So that's all that type of enhancement. We also know that it manages the maintenance of tendons and ligaments. So if you're feeling sore at your joints, you may need testosterone to manage that tissue. So that's critical. So testosterone, we know from drugs that suppress testosterone that it will impair cognition. So that's your thinking, your planning, your organizing, you're analyzing. All those types of thoughts, all those types of activities in your brain are enhanced by testosterone. And if you're at zero, I'm sorry, it's just not going to work. So you have cognition as well. Do you see how multifunctional this is? Testosterone will strengthen the vaginal wall for sexuality. That's another one. Strengthens the tissue in the urinary area so that you have fewer urinary tract infections. This is actually with estradiol. So those two things are working together, right? So these are all factors for testosterone. It's making you stronger. Don't go without it. I have a document that is the 2021 Global Consensus Statement for testosterone use for low sex drive, they call hyposexual function. So this was just issued in February of 2021. And it tells the doctor how to test and monitor you for testosterone levels. Now, a normal dose is typically between 3 milligrams and 10 milligrams, but some women need 2 and some people need 15. So it's really hard to figure out that dosing. You go by how you feel, right? The other thing is that you want to make sure that you're on a nutritious diet because you have receptors in your body waiting for the testosterone. It's coming through the blood and you have those receptors, but you have to build those receptors. You really do. You have a job to get the nutrition into your body to build those receptors. And that depends on your estradiol level. So, really, enhancing your testosterone means charge up your estradiol. Get that as high as you can. Go to the top dose, or if you feel you want to test out higher than the top dose, you can do that. You can ask your doctor to do an experiment with you and see how you feel. The higher the estradiol, the more nutrients go in your body. If you need help identifying a nutrient dense a type of a diet, I'm an expert in that. I follow the autoimmune protocol because the immune system is a nutrient hog. So we have to find a special diet. I can send you, I'll put some information in the description on that diet so that you can get to a wonderful, easy, free description of that diet and why it works. And then you try it out for 30 days and then you see what it does for you. You will feel a difference. You will feel a difference because it is a dramatic change. You will probably have 7 to 10 times more nutrients than a processed food diet. 7 to 10 times. Think about that. Every bite, you're getting 7 to 10 times. This is huge. So that'll have an impact on this. Alcohol use suppresses your own testosterone. I'm not sure if it interferes with the receptors. So if it would interfere with your HRT, but that's an issue. Gaining weight and having a higher BMI usually affects testosterone. So it might also affect the postmenopausal woman that's adding testosterone. And just heading towards losing weight, just at a slow pace, changes the entire metabolism of your body and moves you towards wellness. So all you have to do is figure out how to move in that direction and you start to get health benefits. So including helping that testosterone do its job. Antidepressants also suppress testosterone, I'm sorry, and a lot of other medications. So one of the things that we do in coaching is I coach you on how to work with your doctor to reduce medications so that you don't end up not getting the benefits of testosterone. It's so massive. It's going to change your life. It's just going to make you glow. It's going to make you happy. So email me if you like. Just to summarize, I can summarize all the benefits of testosterone, and I have referenced research. I have that in a document called Testosterone is Important. How's that for simplicity? And it includes the information on what suppresses your testosterone because we want to make sure that you're not suppressing it once you add it. That would be silly. So we've got that for you. We also have the initial HRT appointment guide, which lists out the 20 benefits of testosterone that I've summarized here, but also combines it with estradiol, the best and worst HRT, the nutrition plan, a little bit more on the nutrition plan that's really required to enhance your hormone experience. These two things are intertwined. You cannot rip diet away and expect HRT to do all the work. It can't do it. You have to support nutrition as well. So that's about all I have to say today. Take care.